Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to create a survey using Excel survey. So surveys let other people fill out your list like a sign-up sheet or questionnaire where you can see it all in one place online. So in OneDrive for Business you can create a survey that your parents can fill out just by opening the link that you provide. So you'll see everyone's response compiled in one online sheet. So to start creating your Excel survey, first go to the portal, the Office 365 portal, open a browser and go to portal.office.com. If you haven't created a shortcut already for it, you're going to log in using your SMSD credentials. It's going to be your full email and the same password that you use to log into your computer. So it will take you to your home page. On your home page, there's two ways to access your OneDrive. Either on the home page, you see all your applications down here. You can click on the OneDrive tile. Or at the top of your screen, either on the left side or the right side, depending on your screen resolution, you see a bunch of little squares. This is called your app launcher. So it pretty much launches all your apps. So you can click on the app launcher and go to the OneDrive tile from there also. So two ways, app launcher or on the home page. Okay, so it took me to my OneDrive. These are all my files stored in the cloud. So go up to New. Click on New and select Excel Survey and give the document a name. I'm going to call it Student Information 1617. So it's easy for me to go back and identify and find the document later. Click on Create. It's saving it and it's going to take me to Excel Survey and I can start building my survey. Enter a title for the survey. So I'm just going to give it the same title as the document. And this is what the end user will see when your survey loads up. Once you've entered the title, the description is optional. You can enter something here if you want. You don't have to. Please answer all required questions. Something like that. Okay? Then I'm going to click on enter your first question here. I click on the box and then a second box is going to open up to the right. That's where I'm going to start building my questions. Enter your first question here. Student first name. And maybe right here where it says question subtitle, again, that's a description to help explain the question. Maybe you can put legal name or nickname or leave it blank, your choice. Response type, if you click on the drop down arrow, you'll see different choices. Since I'm just asking for a first name, I don't really expect for it to be a long response. I'm just going to keep it as a text box. I'm going to make sure I check this box to make this question required. Default answer, you don't need it for this particular survey, but you probably would use this if you're creating an assessment or a quiz in Excel survey. Click done, and now I'm going to click on add new question to create my second question, student's last name. I'm going to keep it a text response, make it required, click done, go to add another question, home phone. And this one, I'm going to make it a number response type and click on required. I don't need decimal percent currency, I'm just going to leave it blank. And then click on done. I'm going to put mother's name. You can do mother's name or parent's name. Again, your choice. I'm going to keep it a text response. I don't think I'm going to make this one required because some of our students may not live with their mom. They have never been with their mom. So this might be a question that, you know, not our students, some of our students won't be able to respond. So I'm not going to make it required. Click done. Move on to the next one. Same thing with father's name. I'm not going to make it required. And I think I'll just add one more for legal guardian since, again, our students come from different backgrounds. And I'm not going to make it required in the event that they don't live with a legal guardian. Okay. See, home address. So this one, I'm going to change it to paragraph text just in case it's long, and I'm going to make this required because I definitely want to know or have your current address on file. Add new question, email. So this one, Depending on you, I in particular would make it required because I like to communicate to my parents via email or some sort of in a digital way. So I want to make this required. And in the event that if a parent doesn't have an email address and they discuss it with me right then and there, I would recommend them to go ahead and create an email address, either at Yahoo or Gmail or Outlook, so I can be there to assist them in creating that email account and showing them how to use it. But again, your choice. If you don't want to make this question required, or you don't even have to list email on your student information sheet, but just letting you know. Okay, I'm gonna click done, and I'm just going to stop here for now, but in your student information sheet, your questionnaire, you may have more questions. So again, just click on add new question, enter your question, add a description if you need to, select your response type. You can choose to make it required or not required and click done. And once you're done with everything, you can save and view. It's going to show you what the end users, what your parents will see. So here's your questionnaire. Very simple, very plain. In a way, it's good because they won't just be distracted with any coloring or any pictures on there. I'm going to do a sample. Okay, when I'm done, the end user, the parent, whoever, will click on submit. And as you can see, if I click close, as you can see, the responses appear automatically on the Excel sheet. So again, this saves me time from having to collect the student information sheet and then taking some time to sit down and build the spreadsheet, the Excel myself. I can just do the information sheet in Excel survey, and the information, the data is automatically collected for me and already compiled in here. So this is one way to save you some time. And if you need to go in and edit your survey, in the Excel document itself, right here towards the middle, you see survey. Click on it. You can view the survey, edit the survey. Maybe you don't need the survey anymore, so delete it, and then this is where you will go to share the survey. So if I go on to edit survey, it's going to send me back to this screen. Click on the question that I need to edit, make my changes, save and view, just to make sure everything is correct. And then I can go here to share the survey. It's going to load. It's going to create a link for me. I can copy and paste and put this into Edmodo or my teacher webpage, or put it in an email and send it out to my teachers or whoever needs the link to the survey. Close it. The other way to get the link is if you're not in the survey itself. If you're in the Excel file, you can just click on survey and go down to share survey. It's going to do the same thing. It's going to give you the same link, and then you would share from there. If you need additional assistance, please put in a help desk ticket. Thanks for watching.